Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot CRM for marketing automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To register with HubSpot CRM for marketing automation, first, visit the HubSpot website. On the home page, locate the Get Started Free button. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. You will see a form requesting your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, click the Get the Free Tool button. You'll receive a prompt to create your HubSpot account. Enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Choose a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Now, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Once completed, click on Create Account. HubSpot will send a verification email to your inbox. Check your email and locate the message from HubSpot. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you back to the HubSpot website. You may need to log in again using your email and password. After logging in, you will be guided through the setup process. Follow the prompts to enter your company information. Include your business name, website URL, and industry details. Next, specify your role within the company. HubSpot will ask about your marketing goals. Select the options that best align with your objectives. Once you've completed this, click Next to proceed. You'll see an option to connect your email account for better integration. Choose either to connect now or skip this step for later. If you connect, follow the instructions to log in to your email account. Review and accept any necessary permissions that HubSpot requires. After completing these steps, you will arrive at your HubSpot dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available in your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.